Is your Windows 11 PC running slow? In this video, I'll show you the best ways to speed up Windows 11 in 2026 using simple and 100% working methods. These tweaks can improve boot speed, reduce lag, and make your PC feel much faster without installing any software. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Open. Start up apps. Disable apps you don't need. This improves boot speed significantly. Next, press Windows plus R. Type Temp. Press Enter. Select all files by pressing Ctrl plus A. Delete all files you can. Next, open Run again. Then repeat with %temp, %. Empty recycle bin. This frees up space and improves performance. Next, click on Start. Type to search CMD. Open CMD as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. This repairs corrupted Windows files automatically. Next, adjust performance settings. Click on Start and then Search. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then select Adjust for best performance. Another method, enable storage sense. Click on Start. Click on Settings, System, Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Lastly, update Windows. Install the latest Windows updates for performance and bug fixes. If your PC still feels slow, consider upgrading to an SSD. It makes a huge difference. If this video helped speed up your Windows 11 PC, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for more tech tutorials.